Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily delete your account in Duolingo. So let's start. It's really important for you to say that you can't do it through the application. You need to go to Google Chrome, internet browser, or Safari if you're on iPhone. So what you want to do is just right here Duolingo and go to duolingo.com settings and account. So click on it, duolingo.com settings and account. Let's click on it. When we're going to be here, you're going to see all the settings here that you need to choose, you need to use, right? So, yeah. Now, you need to scroll down below when you're going to be in here, Duolingo. You need to also log in. And then you need to scroll down below and you're going to see here, delete my account. So let's click on it. And now you're going to see erase personal data. Yes. Duolingo, delete personal data. Okay. Now they just send you an email that you need to confirm. Please click on delete my data. So we are going to my Gmail account, right? And here we got it. Delete my. If you still want to delete all your data, please click delete my data. You would like to have your account deleted. Your account is now deactivated and you will no longer be able to log in. And this is how we do it. So this is how we delete your account. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you know how it goes, you know how it works, and yeah. See you guys and goodbye.